Okay, fine against Yorian. So it's probably just a control deck. I think this is pretty good. I have a tone 2, tone 4 player. Tone 2, tone 3, tone 4. So Abzan, Sultai, Azorius, Bant, Ozhov? Ozhov or Abzan? Hmm. So he's not scared of the monster. He probably has a bunch of kill spells. Oh, it's Ab. Yes, yeah, it's Abzan. I think it's blue. 3, 6. I think I'll just do this here. He doesn't have a counter spell. Okay. So Nissa? Really? He just plays Yorian? Okay. Three. What was it? What was it? 2, 4, 6, 8 mana. I can double binding here. I think that's. I know. I think I just. I think I binding into migration path. Three, 6, 7. I got 7 cards. Ah. Okay, cool. Tone 5. Tone 5, C, get, Western sound seems pretty good. I just want this one. Three, 4. Okay, so 3, 4, 1, 2, and then 2, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna Omen first to see what I can get. If I can get a Ultimatum. Okay, I think I'm just gonna binding. into Yorian. This is okay. Yo, okay, what's in my deck? I think I'm just gonna pass the turn. I don't want to play the monster yet. Yo, I'm like, what, halfway through my, close to halfway through my deck? So it looks like the opponent might have a kill spell for my thing. I think I'm just looking for, okay, that's good. I have no idea. I don't know how the opponent's gonna win.
Somebody bothering you? I'll make them suffer.
Guess I can just eliminate her.
Was that dear to you? Now it's dearly departed.
I'm not even sure if there's anything left. Oh, there's one left. So like the opponent deck, like the best he has is like Nissa. Okay. Okay. I take both. do this for air? Guess I do it for 10. That was unlucky. I was hoping to get a land drop. Okay, so I don't know, like there's so many ways I can just win. Okay, well, anyways.
When called upon, remember, share my pain.
My prowess is unmatched by my peers. Keep an open mind.
I should have played Nissa first. I could have so many mana.
Seek shelter in my stewardship. Be wary of the ground you walk on.
Oh, I should have played Nissa first. Okay. Good luck, opponent. Oh wait, your go.
I was not prepared for this.
You know what? I've had enough.
My army will envelop this world.
Our opponent wants to play this.
Mind and body with thoughtfulness before action.
Okay, let's go.
Rise!
Meditate and prepare.
You know, if the opponent wanted to win, he should have killed Nissa and not Tibalt. Because Nissa does direct damage, he was at 6 HP. So Nissa would have killed him in 2 turns. And so he would need to kill the land and Nissa. So, Dark Distortion is amazing here. Okay, so Ether Ghost, Dark Seas, Dark Distortion. Those are very amazing cards. I think I keep Heartless Act because the opponent probably has Yoshan. He has Yorian, Yoshan, and maybe even like an Elder. So I think 2 Heartless Act. The opponent can probably play Narset. Wait, no, he can't. Oh, never mind. The opponent can play Kaya. But I don't think I care about Kaya. I have 4 bindings. Besides, I have Dark Seas anyways. I don't know. The opponent, he did not give me Alwan Epiphany. He gave me Narset plus Omen of the Sea. I had 20 cards in my deck. The probability that I would find an Almen was pretty high. That's pretty good. Turn 2, turn 3, turn 4. I think I keep this. I don't think I play it. Because the opponent does not have counter spells. So if the opponent does not discard it, I'm guaranteed to have to. Bro, that was just amazing. Like, so this means the opponent does not have Thoughtseize. Oh, never mind. I think it's, I don't know. Explode, Hydro Crisis, Seagate, Band. Everything is good except for Heartless Act. Everything is amazing except for this card. Unless the opponent has Yoshan or Elder. I mean, everything is like very good here. The sound is yeah. He got rid of Hydro Crisis. Wonder if he has another one. Because Hydro Crisis is only good 26, where you can make it 4/4 Hydro Crisis. Yeah, turn 6 is the best time to cast Hydro Crisis. 4/4, draw 2 cards, and it's a body. Yeah, I wonder if the opponent. I wonder if he didn't concede last match. I wonder if he's like serious or if he's like memeing. So I think he's looking at my deck. Okay. Three, 4, 5. I need 2 more turns, 3 more turns to cast this. Okay, that's promising. He has it in. Three, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 more lane, 2 more turns. The clock's ticking. The opponent. He needs a Thoughtseize like now. Well, this turn or next turn. Okay. So kill this or
I can get
what?
rid of anything, living or dead.
Okay.
Well then, look to see
guys are
me
there?
no more.
Is this good?
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
Do you think I'm still gonna Yori in? I mean, banding here. I'm gonna banding the Kaya. Opponent is so lucky, man. Okay. Actually, I think I'm just gonna wait and draw a bunch of cards. Okay, that should be game. Okay. So I'm definitely gonna banding here so the opponent doesn't get to ultimate Kaya. Okay, and then here I Thoughtseize. Funny enough, it's this. I have to restart arena after this match. The sound is a little bit buggy. Okay, that's how the opponent plans to win. I'm gonna look for a Alwan here. Oh, okay, I don't have Ultimatum, but I do have. Do I have enough mana? Okay, the Aussies is good. I don't have enough mana, but that's probably okay. Still looking for Alwan here. Okay, 4 land to the bottom. Okay, found it. Let me just Thoughtseize that Yorian. Okay. kill this. Yovian everything. I could sack with this and draw a I1. Okay. I think I'm just gonna I think yoing here is fine. Put a clock on the opponent. Heartless Act Yovian, so I got 6 damage. So this is a 3-turn clock. Okay. Do this, the opponent do this, I kill this. I don't know, man. So I guess I thought this distortion was pretty bad. But I mean, but now he does it. Omen is good. I don't want this, I want this. Probably don't want those two. The opponent is like almost guaranteed to play Yomian next turn. So this is a big clock. He plays Yomian, maybe this is a card, maybe it's I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna Omen and look for Alwan. This could be like the Mythos thing. Just gonna look for Alwan. Nausea is good. Nausea digs deeper than Omen of the Sea. Okay, Liliana is pretty good too. Think I'll just play the monster here. If the opponent has a kill spear for the monster, that's okay because I have this. I have like okay.